Hey folks, what's cracking? I'm the Credit Savage. Welcome to my channel where I like to talk about traveling for free by using credit card sign-up bonuses, taking an absolute advantage of their point systems, and maximizing on all the rewards that you get so that I can, help you meet that one lifelong dream you've had to go to like Bora Bora, Japan, Vietnam, whatever it is. It's that much sweeter when you travel for free. And so that's kind of the gist of my channel. I do like to talk about a little personal finance here and there, but for the most part, just credit card everything, man. I'm just a credit card fanatic, and I really appreciate a good bonus, as I'm sure a lot of you guys watching this channel are as well. So, very excited today because I just found out by reading like different blogs, they're going to be extending the pay yourself back feature until April of next year. So big plus, and it's just great news all around for somebody that appreciates having more options as to how you use your points, especially right now during COVID. However, the reason I'm making this video today is because ding, 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 got it in the mail, is right here. Unboxing the Chase Freedom Flex, baby. This is the card to get for 2020. Probably the best all-around card to get that rivals the American Express Gold card, the American Express Blue Cash Preferred, their green card. It rivals pretty much all the cards, including the Propel by Wells Fargo. Right here, 0% APR for 15 months, as well as 60,000 UR points whenever I use this credit card at groceries, because it'll give me 5x back for every dollar spent, up to $12,000 for a year. So I'm stoked. I know I'm going to be making, at least $10,000 in spent when it comes to groceries this year. So this, boom, plus the 20,000 UR points for the sign-up bonus when I meet that $500 spent in the next 3 months I'm going to get. So that's at least 80,000 UR points right here that I'm going to be able to, come up with. I have the Chase Sapphire Reserve. So that means that those 80,000 points are going to turn, into 120. And so that's $1,200 at least. If I use the travel partners that Chase has, it's probably going to be a lot more, because I usually get around 3 cents, 2.5 to 3 cents back. So this is it. When I'm unboxed it, I'm ready. I'm stoked. As you guys can tell, it's, simple envelope. I kind of made sure that I erased that part right there just because, security concerns. I know you guys aren't crazy, but then again, you never know, man, who's watching you. And I'm one of those people that likes my privacy. So that's it, man. But here it is. I'm looking forward to opening it. Let's do so. All right. What do we have here? Boom. Yes, sir. Oh, yes. Here we go. Here we go. Woo-wee. Yeah, baby. Here it is. Okay, I want that. I want that. It's done. Can't do it again. Boom. No second takes. Here it is, man. Yes, sir. Chase Freedom Flex. Oh, I love this. I'm already loving it right here. Boom. As you can tell, it looks just like the Chase Freedom, the OG Freedom, with the little green outline right there on the edge. I don't know if you guys can see it, but pretty much the same, except for the fact that it's got the MasterCard logo right there. I don't know if you guys can see it, but yep, that little MasterCard logo. And yeah, man, this is pretty good. Nice little card. Just, I don't know if you guys could hear that. It's a nice little, pretty hardened plastic. So it's a nice little Chase logo there, Boom. Chase Freedom Flex, baby. There it is. Chase Freedom Flex. Boom. Yeah, man, I'm digging it. I can't wait to use it. I actually held off on buying groceries this last week and a half, 2 weeks, because I was waiting for this. So gonna put it to good use. Trying to meet that $500 spend right off the bat, because I'm around 9,000 points off of my next trip that I want to take in UR points. Gonna take the five of us, man. We're gonna go and take a trip to Latin America. And I'm gonna take it for free. Just taking it for free. Right now, tickets are dirt cheap. And yes, COVID is a thing right now, but you know what? It's gonna go away, man. It'll go away at some point. And so right now, airlines have taken their restrictions off when it comes to you calling and saying that you're canceling a flight and rescheduling it. So I'm definitely gonna do that. I'm gonna get this flight probably next August, July. So boom, there it is. I'm set for my travels next summer. And so it's gonna be for free. And for whatever reason I can't take the trip, I can cancel it and reschedule it, and there's gonna be no penalties, man. So that's what I'm talking about. That's why we play this game, and that's why I got the flex. Boom. See what I'm saying right here? Gives me a little guide to the benefits. You know, I don't know if you guys can see, but yep, there it is. Guide to the benefits, and it's just policy. You know, pretty much telling you what's covered, what not. Talks about the cellular wireless telephone protection, which is one of the main reasons I got this card. I was actually going to get the Propel, but I'm so glad I didn't. I like the Chase ecosystem, and so the more cards that I have with Chase that give me UR points, the best. I've had up to like almost 500,000 before, and I burn them. My theory is that anything can happen, and when it comes to points, you know, my motto is earn and burn. So as soon as you earn them, burn them, because you know what? A point is only worth as much as you're able to generate by you redeeming it. So, you know, I hear, you know, some bloggers, you know, and some YouTubers saying a point, this is worth 3 points, this is worth 4 points, this is points, you know, 6 cents. Look, it's worth nothing unless you redeem it, bottom line. So the quicker you redeem it and the best deal you can find for you, that's what this game is about. So don't let somebody tell you, you got a terrible deal, you only got 2 cents, you know, per point. You know, you could have gone to like Taipei, you know, in first class. Look, yes, if you want to wait 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 months for that deal, that's your prerogative. You can do whatever you want. But I don't see the issue with me flying coach. I have absolutely no problem flying coach because we fly 5 people, and I'm taking the whole family. You know, this is all about an experience, positive experience. I'm traveling with my family, generating amazing memories, and so to me, that's where the value is. You know, traveling to, you know, on ANA first class is not bad at all. It's just not my priority anymore. But you can definitely do it. You just have to have a strategy. Anyhow, so welcome to Flex, baby. Here it is. You know, and like I said, my strategy is just generating as many points as possible, you know, by taking advantage of, you know, all the multipliers that the Flex is going to give me. Boom. You know, this is the policy basically telling you you're going to pay 23.74 APR, you know, in interest, which is ridiculous. Never pay interest, you know, pay your balance right off the bat. Boom. As soon as you see there's a balance, pay it off. If you have, you know, a card that's giving you 0% APR for, you know, however long, I say you can take advantage of that, but don't overdo it, you know, because next thing you know, you're going to spread yourself thin and you won't be able to make the payments. And so you're going to start paying interest, which nullifies the rewards you're going to accrue. So at that point, it makes no sense. However, you use your cards as you see fit. Personally, like I said, you know, boom, balance made, balance paid, baby. This is the Flex. So in the whole new ball game. So like I said, my strategy is I'm going to generate as many points as I can using the 5x multipliers. You know, with these cards, I'm going to be able to make at least 30,000 a year with the Freedom plus the Freedom Flex combo. So that's 60,000, you know, UR points every year, you know, for however long I keep the cards. And then on top of that, I'm going to probably take out some more cards. Anyhow, that's what I got. You know what I'm saying? I'm very excited to have, you know, opened up, discarded, and unboxed this so you guys can bear witness to the greatness of the Flex, baby. So, you know, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, you know, if you appreciate anything that I said and you want to find out more about rewards, you know, credit cards and their point systems. I definitely will be able to talk about, you know, whatever in the future. I can't wait to see what Chase has in store for the fourth quarter. And I'm just waiting to see what information to drop with to make some more videos. Until then, you know, I'm the Credit Savage. Thank you for watching my channel. You guys take care and stay safe. You know, keep in mind, and don't forget, though, that cash is king. But you know what? Credit is power.